everyone, good day. I'm Jasmine S. Laron, a third-year student at Bukidnon State University, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science. And today, as a compliance to one of our activity in our Waves and Optics subject, under the instruction of Mr. Senan Patricio, I will be sharing to you the experiment I have conducted at home. I measured 10 sources of sound that I can hear at home using a decibel meter. But before that, let me tell you first what is a sound.
Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. When an object vibrates, it causes movement in surrounding air molecules. These molecules bump into the molecules close to them, causing them to vibrate as well. This makes them bump into more nearby air molecules. This chain reaction movement, called sound waves, keeps going until the molecules run out of energy. As a result, there is a series of molecular collisions as the sound wave passes through the air. But the air molecules themselves don't travel with the wave. As it is disturbed, each molecule just moves away from a resting point, but then eventually returns to it. What is a decibel meter? A decibel meter, also known as a sound level meter, is a measuring instrument used to assess and manage noise or sound levels by measuring sound pressure from a variety of sources. It displays measured dB values in various forms. Decibel meter or sound level meter can even be accessible in smartphones through apps. And now, let us now proceed to my experiment. Sound number 1, raindrops. In 30 seconds, its level of measurement have reached to 64.2 dB. Sound number 2, crumpling of dry leaves. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 38.0 dB. Sound number 3, whistle. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 56.7 dB. Sound number 4, a singing child. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 70.8 dB. Sound number 5, a motorcycle passing by. In 12 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 58.9 dB. Sound number 6, guitar. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 64.7 dB. Sound number 7, scrubbing. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 57.4 dB. Sound number 8, sound of birds. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 38.8 dB. Sound number 9, river flows. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 71.5 dB. Sound number 10, sweeping. In 30 seconds, its sound level measurement have reached to 42.8 dB. This experiment further concludes that when measuring a sound level, distance is pretty much crucial. It is because the closer we are to the sound source, the louder the sound we can hear.